it is for everyone, not just the class 10 student, but class 12 students also, their board exams who were affected. There were others who were still giving their exams, but especially students from the Northeast couldn't give because of the Delhi riots that happened during that period. All of them now can give their exams. All the students of class 10 and class 12 who could not give their exams, and this will be happening simultaneously at the period from the 1st of July till the 15th of July. So it is not just limited to the class 10 students of Northeast Delhi, but also the class 12 students. Anuj.
Yes, exactly. This is not only for the East Delhi students, but this is for the class 10 and class 12 of the trans. This has been made it clear by the Minister of HRD himself, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, has made it very much clear, and there with the sign of all the best, he has given the students the list that, dear students of class 12, for CBSE board, here is the date sheet of your exam. So that's the latest what we have been told from the Ministry of HRD, that the date sheet is out now, and we are understanding the lockdown period is on. On the other hand, in the fourth phase of the lockdown just started, but everything has been kept in mind. So the examination which was delayed now has to go through the process, and it has been announced by the Ministry of HRD, and we are having the date sheet with us. This is going to be from 1st of July. From 1st of July, this is going to start, and till 15th of July. So that's something what we are understanding for all India 10th, 12th, and specifically mentioned for the Northeast one also, including everything, 10th, 12th examination. Now details are out from 1st of July to 15th of July. And there, Ramesh Pokhriyal, the Minister of HRD, is making it clear that how to follow the things. On the other hand, also being kept in mind that we do understand this is a lockdown period and this is a lockdown fourth phase, and I don't know.
So we'll give out the details, especially for the class 10 students whose exams were affected because of the riots. So from 1st of July, their exam of social science will be taking place. On the 2nd of July, the science theory paper, the science without practical paper, also on the same date. On the 10th of July, on Friday, the Hindi course A and the Hindi course B will be taken. And on the 15th of July, English Communicative, English Language and Literature, those exams that they were missed by the class 10 students of Northeast Delhi, they will be held. We'll be also giving you the breakup for the class 12 students as well. Remember, these are specific also to the Northeast Delhi part of those students who could not give their exams because of the violence, riots that were happening. At that point in time, they were advised not to go to the examination centers, while in Delhi, in other parts of Delhi and around the country, students were still giving their exams, their board exams of class 10 and 12. So these students who were affected because of the Delhi riots, and of course overall all of them being affected because of coronavirus. So the earlier dates that were announced by the HRD minister himself, that between 1st of July to the 15th of July, these examinations will be taking place. But the Northeast part, Delhi, were the students, they were left out, saying that there will be an announcement later on. Today, it is the HRD minister himself who's given out those fresh date sheets, along with a special set of instructions to those students who have to follow those guidelines, whether also to carry a hand sanitizer to their examination centers. Their face will be covered at all times. They have to carry their face masks, and to that effect, the rescheduled dates of the date sheet that have now been announced by the HRD minister himself, giving out the details of the examinations that will be held for those class 10 and class 12 students, especially from the Northeast part of Delhi who were affected because of the Delhi riots. And the examinations will be going simultaneously with the other students as well, from not of Northeast part of Delhi, but also all the CBSE students who will be simultaneously giving their board exams. Anuj, the breakdown that has also been announced of the date sheet of the class 10 and class 12 students.
Well, exactly. The details have been given, and this has been given by the Ministry of HRD. If we go through the details, and if we can share it the same with the viewers, then yes, it is starting from the 1st of July, and that is going to Wednesday. Home science is going to be the first paper from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. And after that, on Thursday, it is going to be Hindi elective, Hindi core. This is going to be for all India. Like all the students who are enrolled with the CBSE, they will be given giving the examination on these particular dates, and specification is also there for the northeast part that you were mentioning. So for northeast part, if you talk about that, this is going to be Friday. That is going to be the physics paper. After that, Saturday, which is going to be accountancy. So all details have been given by the Ministry of HRD, keeping every norm, keeping everything in mind. Which was earlier, the student, particularly talk about northeast area, they were stuck. They were not able to give their examination. For them also, everything has been kept in mind. And this is going to be from all India. Whosoever the students who are involved, who are the part of CBSE, their date sheet is out now and has been announced by the Minister of HRD himself. The Ministry of HRD is giving the details. The list is out. The list is in public domain. It has been tweeted, and we are also showing the list. We will be giving more information about the same because there it has been mentioned that on what date.
So we'll put out those details, Anuj. I have the breakdown of the date sheet with me. So all of those parents and concerned parents and students who were waiting for those fresh dates of their examination, of board examination of class 10 and class 12 to be announced, I have the details with me. So please listen very, very carefully. If we talk about all India, the date for the exam that will be held on the 1st of July, the subject is on home science. On the 2nd of July, all India students, and we are talking particularly of class 12, this is Hindi elective and Hindi core, will be taking place on the 2nd of July. On the next day, on 3rd of July, this is pertaining to Northeast Delhi students of class 12. The physics paper will be held. On the 4th of July, that is a Saturday, pertaining to the Northeast Delhi students of class 12, the accountancy paper will be taking place. The subject of chemistry, the examination will be held on the 6th of July. This is also pertaining to the students of Northeast Delhi who had missed their exam when it was earlier held in the month of February. Let's talk about the subject of informatics, practicals, computer science, and this will be all India for all the students because this exam was not held at all because of the lockdown that was imposed. This will happen on the 7th of July 2020. On Wednesday, that is on the 8th of July, this is pertaining to the Northeast Delhi students itself, where English elective and the English core examinations will be taking place. The other examination, the subjects of business studies for class 12 students all India will be taking place on the 9th of July. On the 10th of July, the biotechnology paper will be happening for students of class 12 all India. The geography subject, the paper will be happening on the 11th of July. This is also for all India. On the 13th of July, the sociology paper will come out. That is also pertaining to all India students of class 12 CBSE. Of Northeast Delhi students, the paper of political science they missed during the time when the riots happened in New Delhi in the month of February. That paper you will give on 14th of July. On the 15th of July, especially for all those students from the Northeast Delhi who had missed their paper, the subject of mathematics, the subject of economics, history and biology. These four subjects, those papers will be happening on the 15th of July. So this is a breakdown that I have given to you of the fresh date sheet that has been announced by the HRD minister himself. This is pertaining just to the class 12 students, and the breakdown includes of those students from the northeast part of Delhi who missed giving their exams in the month of February because of the Delhi riots that broke out, and all India students of class 12 who are still waiting for giving out their papers in the subjects that they missed because of the lockdown was imposed. That date sheet also has been announced. Let me tell you about the date sheet of the class 10 students. Please listen to it very carefully. This is pertaining to the social science paper. This will happen on the 1st of July. The subject is social science. The subject of science theory and the science without practical. This will happen on the 2nd of July. Hindi course A and Hindi course B. The exam will happen on the 10th of July, which is a Friday. The English Communicative and English Language and Literature, this paper will happen on the 15th of July. So this will happen simultaneously as it had been earlier announced by the HRD Ministry. On the 1st till the 15th of July, these examinations will be held, and also working simultaneously will be those students from northeast part of Delhi who had missed their examinations during the month of February when the Delhi riots had happened. I also